That's a hell of a win, okay, and way to stay fighting in this in-season tournament. Okay, we're still very much in the hunt for this thing. Okay, we're going to end up 3-1. We're going to have the point differential needed, okay, to get in there, and hell of a win. KD, just big shot, man, big guts. Okay, game on the line, bombs a 3. Okay, with a guy in his face, hell of a shot. Book, hell of a game. To 2 of you guys. 9 assists, 1 turnover, Kevin Durant. 15 assists, career high, Devin Booker. 15 assists. Hell of a win. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Get what y'all need tomorrow.